What is transformation? Almost sounds like a fake word. For me, transformation begins with being stuck or trapped or unhappy or somehow not seeing what needs to be seen, blind. If you're in flow already and life is good, who thinks about transformation? It's when you hit that wall. It's when the future looks like a dark hole or an abyss. That's when we think about, could I transform? And there's only one way, which is to walk into that hole. And the word that comes to my mind is space. That's what's there. Does this all sound crazy? Just look at this acorn, and you know what that becomes. A mighty oak tree. Can you believe it? There's no doubt transformation is part of our world.